We'll guide you through how to use Claude Clawmark effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Claude Clawmark website. Once you're on the homepage, you need to log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by clicking on the Sign Up button and filling in the necessary details. Once logged in, you'll see the dashboard where you can manage all your projects and tasks. To start a new project, click on the New Project button located at the top of the page. You'll be prompted to enter a project name and description, so make sure you fill these out to keep your work organized. After setting up your project, you can add tasks by clicking the Add Task button. Enter a task name, due date, and any additional notes that will help you track your progress. You can assign tasks to team members by clicking on the Assign button and selecting the appropriate person from the drop-down menu. This helps ensure everyone knows what they're responsible for. Claude Clawmark also allows you to set priorities for tasks by clicking on the Priority tab and choosing between options like High, Medium, or Low. To check the progress of your tasks, simply go to the Task Overview section where you can see a summary of all your tasks, their statuses, and upcoming deadlines. If you need to collaborate with your team, use the built-in chat feature by clicking on the chat icon on the side panel, which allows for instant communication. For better organization, you can also use the Labels feature to categorize tasks based on different criteria. Finally, make sure to regularly check the Notifications section to stay updated on any changes or updates within your projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.